Welcome into the Founders Lab. My name is Shannon Martel, and I am a business mentor, an online course creator, AI tech automation specialist here to help you to monetize your expertise and help you to use AI powered systems, automations, etc., to be able to build, grow, and scale your business. First off, I just want to give you a big welcome inside of the lab and congratulating you for making the decision to join us. We're really excited that you have joined us and that you're here today. This community that we've created is designed for course creators, for coaches, and for membership builders to be able to help you to build your first online course, your first AI powered income system, and learn how to install all of the systems that actually help you to be able to create predictable recurring revenue. Inside the lab, I'm going to show you exactly how to be able to do that and how you can also use this space to be able to get the most value right away. Inside the Founders Lab, you have a community where we connect. This is where you have the opportunity to ask questions, to share what you're building, and to be able to get feedback on what you're working on from other founders who are working on their businesses just like you, who maybe are a few steps ahead of you, who can share what's working for them, what's not working, and what to continue to improve. This is a community where we help each other build, grow, and scale your online business. I encourage you to go ahead and jump in, introduce yourself, let us know a bit about you, about your business, and about what you're building. Let us know what stage you're at. Are you new to online course creation, membership creation, coaching programs, all of the things? Or have you been at it a while? Let us know where you're at in your business. Also, let us know what you would like to have help with first. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Let us know what you're working on or what you want help with first so we can go ahead and point you in the right direction to help you get the resources that you need to go ahead and get started. It also walks you through the 2026 and beyond calendar for the Founders Lab. And if you're in the Founders Circle, you'll also see all of the events planned for the Founders Circle. And so you can add those to your calendar. It's also going to show you a community tab, how to work that, the different categories that you can click on to be able to categorize your post, whether it's you're having general discussion or you have a question for me or for the community, or you're sharing your best practices. It also helps you to know what to do first or what to do next, depending on where you are in your online course creation, coaching business, membership business journey. Tells you where to start, what to work on next. And then if you're ready for the next level, it walks you through how to be able to get support inside the Founder Circle, as well as in Vision, which is my all-in-one CRM course building solution to be able to help you not only build your online courses, coaching programs, and membership, but actually how to launch and sell those and deliver the products to your clients. It's an all-in-one CRM and course hosting and marketing platform solution built on GoHighLevel. Go ahead and dive into that, and that will give you everything that you need. The Course Clarity Workshop is going to help you to know where to begin building your first scalable income system step by step. That's going to walk you through how to get started with choosing your profitable course idea, to identifying the niche for that particular offer, to helping you structure the offer, structure what the outcome is for the course, the promise for the course, what that A to B journey is, taking your ideal client from where they are before the pain and problem that they're having all the way to the solution. That would be the B part of the journey. And all of the steps in between becomes your course outline and the modules and lessons that you're going to create to help solve that problem that they're having. That's going to walk you through that. And it's also going to help you to be able to pre-sell that offer, to really validate that offer and get people to raise their hand and vote with their dollars that this is something that they really want before you go out and spend time recording your first lesson, creating your slides, to all the things. Bots and GPTs for you to be able to work faster. This is going to help you not only create your online course curriculum, but also help you develop the online course, to create the sales page for the online course and create all of the marketing assets for the course. You decide that you're ready to install the full system and scale with predictable recurring revenue. The Founder Circle becomes your next step with us. There's a massive difference between learning from somebody teaching you and actually doing it. It's kind of like learning to drive a car, right? There's one thing for somebody to teaching you how to turn the key on, how to put the car in reverse, let up off the brake and navigate the car backwards and then get it in position and start driving. There's a big difference between somebody showing you how to do that and then you actually implementing it and doing it yourself. What you're going to see inside of the lab is not just curated reels or polished case studies. This is a real behind the scenes build with all of the warts and the wins included, what's working, what's not working, and where to continue to improve. You're going to be getting an over the shoulder, behind the scenes look on how I build funnels inside my software solution, VisionTek, which is built on the GoHighLevel platform. You're going to watch how I build funnels, watch the architecture of converting a funnel to and it come together page by page, step by step, with a commentary on every decision, why I'm connecting the pieces and the dots and all of the things together to make it work. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to build your own funnels so you don't have to pay thousands of dollars paying for funnel designers and copywriters to do this for you. I'm going to walk you through how I set up automated, so how to see the exact triggers and sequences and logic behind automations that follow up, onboard, nurture, and follow up and get your reviews from your clients as well without the manual effort. You build it once, you tweak it here and there, but it runs on autopilot for you 24/7. And then how I structure offers. I'm going to walk you through step by step how I position, price, and package offers, the decisions that turn expertise into an offer that people are willing and eager and excited to buy. And then how I simplify text. These are all of the tools that I have eliminated, how to avoid the complicated setups that kill most businesses before they launch. And let's face it, they also cost you a fortune because the more tools you add, the more expensive it gets. I have found a solution that helps you to minimize, streamline, and simplify all of the tech along the way. We will be walking through that as well. Every question brings an opportunity to tie together the framework back to specific case studies and specific situations. As we work through the content and we go through the Q&A, we're going to ground every answer in one of three layers, whether we're looking at the offer, what are you selling, how much are you selling it for, who you're selling it to, how you're positioning it to the system, how is your business structured to run more efficiently, and how is it structured to run with or without you, right? We want our businesses to run on autopilot 24/7. And then how to scale it. Once we have these systems working, we have an offer that's converting, how do we scale it beyond your direct efforts? How do we add fuel to the fire, so to speak, and really make our business scale and grow on autopilot? We will be diving through that. Any of the questions that you have around those topics, you can bring to the monthly live Q&A sessions. And then if you're in the circle, we have live Q&A sessions a lot more frequently, and we have direct hands-on implementation experience with that. Your path forward really depends on you. There's no one size fits all. There's no one answer fits all, but there is a right next step for you based on where you're at right now. I want you to choose a path that currently matches your stage. And you're going to see right now we have the lab, and also next just coming up is the founder circle, which helps you with the implementation piece. And then you're also going to see me roll out live in front of you VisionTek along the way too, to help you build this system. Whether you stay in this founders lab for free, you learn, you observe, you grow at your own pace, absorb the framework, watch the real builds in front of you live, and start building your foundation. Or maybe you want to go ahead and join the founders circle if that is you and you're ready to move faster with the guided strategy, community, and direct feedback on your business. And the third stage is moving to VisionTek. So VisionTek, you'll see the solution, and everything I teach is also duplicatable through other systems. So if you're on another learning management system or email service provider or so forth, you will be able to duplicate what I'm teaching you on those other tools and software, but I want to make it easier for you. I want to make it streamlined for you, simple and affordable for you. If you want to move to VisionTek, that's a system that's built for you. Is stop stitching all of these tools together to be able to get your all-in-one AI-powered CRM, course hosting, and marketing platform. It runs your business in the background for you 24/7. You will want to come and join us over in VisionTek. You don't need more ideas. What you need is a plan and a system and execution. Planning your work, having the system to support the plan, and having the execution to be able to follow through. That knowledge is already inside of you, and the ambition is not the issue. Motivation can come and go. Without clarity, there's confusion. We need to have reliable systems. We need to have structure to be able to implement and not have to rethink and start from scratch all of the time on what to do. What separates people from the people that launch from those that stay stuck is deceptively simple. It's having a clear structure and the courage to move forward. That's what it's all about. And the Founders Lab and the Founders Circle, you don't have to do that alone. You get to do it together with us. We are here for you, cheering you on every step of the way. Take your next step. If you haven't joined us over in the Founders Lab yet, go ahead and DM me the word founders, and I will point you in the next right step for where you're at. You want to join us in the next session, I invite you to join us. Watch the live Q&A session that we just did. Depending on when you're watching this, it would be in March of 2026, but we are all here for it, right? But show up for the next live session in the Founders Lab. You can check the events calendar, and I'll show you where to find that here in the Founders Lab. If you navigate over to the Founders Lab, you see the learning tab was where all of your courses, tools, and resources are. You can go to the events tab, and in the events tab, you will see the various events that are already on the calendar, and there will be more to come. You can check out the events calendar as well. Go ahead and check that out. Take your next step. So whether it's joining us in the lab, you're more advanced and you're ready to take the next step, launch your business and start generating income and impact on autopilot, having those systems and structures, AI powered systems and structures set up for you to be able to implement this faster. I also offer done for you services. If there's something you need help building your website or you need help building my funnels, I offer as well services to do it for you. So you can send me a DM and we can have some conversations about other ways that I can help you as well. But pick your path. Go ahead and commit to the path and start moving forward. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time to start is right now. So you have everything you need already inside of you, your expertise, your genius, all of the things. Our mission is to extract that expertise and monetize it and build your AI powered system that helps you to scale your business, create the income, the impact, and the freedom that you desire. So again, a big welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. Any questions you have, go ahead and drop them in the community and go ahead and tag us with questions. And I look forward to seeing you all inside the lab. Bye for now.